Hello everyone and welcome to NellieNotions channel. Today I wanted to do a quick demo of the period tracker now that I have a lot of the updates and I can start concentrating on other templates. So I have two versions. I have the free version and the paid version. The paid version has a lot of suggestions from users who have used the original version. This is the original Notion period tracker template, the first ever to calculate automatically your cycle, predicted period, and many other things. All right, let's get started. So, you know what? Let me first show you the free version. So just simply adding in your period. Simply adding in your period, you will click on the dates. So this one is 14 through 16, and then add the last period. Once you do that, everything is calculated. To add your symptoms, you just come right in here and select your symptoms. That's really it for the free version. It will calculate your ovulation, your fertile window, let you know how many more days to your next period. It will notify you if it's the day of your ovulation. It'll notify you if you are fertile that day or that week. It'll let you know if your period is late. So it does a lot of things. Now going into the paid version. Oops, what am I doing? Paid version. Same thing over here. You enter in your period. The only difference is the symptoms are in a different database, and you can add your symptoms for each day of your period. Also, there is an overall symptoms. So you can do an overall symptoms for however long you want, whatever months that you want an overall view of. All you have to do is add in the relations that you want for whatever months and days, and it will compare them. You can also add spotting days, and it will show up right in here. There's also a sex log where you can add in the days you had sex, and it will let you know if you were fertile or ovulating. Okay, I think that's it. You have the board view here. Oh, let me show you how to add the symptoms. So you added in this date, and it will just automatically calculate everything. You want to add in the symptoms for each day. Just scroll down here, and you add them right in here. So you would add each day and then all of your symptoms. This, once you add it in here, it's automatically going to show up in the board down here. If you want this other view, where it shows up in the actual period tracker database also, then what you would do is you would go in here and go to the day. So for instance, let's say there were 4 days. You would click in here and go, it would say January 8th that you already entered in as a period symptom day. Let me just show you real quick. So let's say you added in all your symptoms down here. Why does it say February? Oh, January. You added in all your symptoms. If you want it on that board view, you would just click here, type in January, and go to the 3rd day. It'll show up there, and it will show up there. So you have your average cycle here, length of period, fertile window, ovulation, predicted period. It also tells you your days early, late. And if you want to see your cycles for each month. They're in here. You would just add in the relations. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. I'm always open to improving my templates, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.